Okay, welcome to another episode of Shenanigans trying to build the camper van. You can see there is a lot of new packages. That's for later, I'm gonna tell you about. This is also for later. So, like and subscribe, not miss any videos. As usual. And this is the package for today and for the coming days. Big one. Let's take it out. Oh shit, heavy. And what we have is a roof rack from Dutch Van Parts. That's a package 1 of 2. And there is a package 2 of 2. So we need this also. And those are solar panel profile set. So we're gonna mount solar panels on these. So I have 2 packages because the van is L3 long wheelbase, and yeah, I need a longer roof rack, so that's why. That's not a good idea. How do I take this shit out? Okay, I guess like this. Oh man, wait. This is great. That's the front part, and that's a rear part. Knifey. All the mounting parts for roof rails, connections for profiles, camp to roof rack. Is it camp? Yeah, but camp 2 is a different model, but the installation be the same, so I guess happy about it. Put them somewhere so we don't scratch it. How am I gonna fucking mount it myself? That's a good question. I'm pretty confident it's a 2-man's job, but I'm a capable fella, so it was probably unnecessary to take it out. Let's put it to the side. Maybe this will go last on the van, in my opinion, at least. I got all the sides here, roof rails. You can see here I have those caps. They are like factory mounting holes for OEM roof rails. So if you don't have OEM roof rails, then you have to remove it. Just apply a little bit of heat and pry it out with a screwdriver or something. Just do it like this. So I might want to count which ones I actually have to do. And there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 per side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. So I guess I need to do all of them. Yeah, 11. So we need to do all of them. Get your heat gun. It's getting soft. That was easy. Come on. Motherfucker. It's the first one, right? So first one is always taking the longest. Well, not ideal, I'd say. Let me just see it from the inside. Here we go. Easy. Okay, let's see if this one is gonna go more smoothly. Basically don't need any heat at all. I mean, so it was like 10 seconds maybe, 15, and it came off with a little bit of prying. Yeah, like that. So the glue, yeah, I guess I can remove it now. Just a light test of pressure. Comes off nicely. I have a bird's house there, and the little birdies just hatched. Now for a little bit of acetone clean, just to remove the leftovers from the glue. And the right side is done. Now for the left. The holes in the roof are done. Now I have to prep the roof rails. I have to figure it out first because the instructions are not quite clear to me right now. I guess I have to fix it with these little screws, just like on the drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's only for one side. I need additional 4, 8 for the other side. I have these here, but these are stainless, I can see, and these are not. And I'm confused. How many of them are here? 4, 8. So yeah, 8 for one side, 8 for the other side, but those are different. So it should be from the inside of the van or outside. I guess inside, so it's not visible. Regular steel can go with stainless and they won't like react, so I'm not worried about that. Regular can't go with aluminium, and there's no aluminium here. Well, the roof rack, those are aluminium. They screwed up, or I don't understand. Should I put some thread locker on it? Probably should, eh? Maybe I don't. It's gonna be screwed into the roof, so now I have to put this on the roof. It's not that easy alone. Fortunately, my friend will come and help me, because I don't see how the screwing of these roof rails will be possible alone. One person has to hold it from the top and the other one has to screw it from the bottom.
My name is Jeff. My name is Jeff.
So the roof rails are loose.
Najpierw idzie krótki?
Yeah. So the roof rails are loose. We're just installing the rack so it's rigid, so we can mark it from the bottom and drill some holes. My friend is helping me.
Może ja też w tym czasie, co? Dobra, dobrze, to tak na razie.
Tak chcę zrobić.
Fajnie. Jak ja się dzisiaj nie spierdolę z tym drewnem, kurwa nie nazywam do końca.
Tego dokręć jeszcze.
No też.
I tamtego. Tylko moje.
Gdzie jest to, kurwa?
A ty go zostawiłeś tam gdzieś?
Nie, mam w tym. Gdzie?
Jest łączenie akurat.
Oczywiście, że akurat jest tu kurwa łączenie, nie? No bo jak żeby inaczej, ja pierdolę.
To jest 1 czy 2?
Oła, 1. O, fuck, jebane łączenie. Tu mam jeden, tu mam. Jeden musi przejść, ale kurwa za chuja nie chcę.
Nie wiem co. Nie.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Na filmikach na Insta to wygląda inaczej. No to już wiemy, co się robi z tymi, nie? To od razu nasuwa, kurwa, tam gdzie powinno być.
Fajnie, że mam czarny marker na ten, nie? Dobrze widać. I've assembled the roof rack on the roof. So the roof rails are rigid, and I'll mark all the holes here for drilling. Both sides. Now we have to take off the roof rack and drill the holes, fix the rails in place and seal it, of course. And yeah, then the mounting. I wanted to back the car up a little bit to hang the roof rack on this pipe, and then I want to lower the gate and hang it on the back support on the gate, so the roof rack will be suspended in the air, but the battery died, so this is what we're doing now. Charging the big girl from the small girl, and stand by. I was about to drill holes, but my drill is fucked, so another trip to the shop for a new drill. So my friend is drilling the holes in the roof rails. I'm gonna now wipe it down with acetone, the roof, prep it for Sika, and we will be ready to mount the roof rails to the roof. And from there it's only lowering the roof rack itself.
Ja pierdolę.
Co zrobiłeś?
Bo nam wiertło dużo.
Także całe w dziurze zostało? Nic nie wystaje?
Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
Dobra, jadę po wiertło.
Po co?
Jak po co?
2 kupiłem. Kurwa, dawać tak na całość? Czy nie dawać? Daję, co?
Nie zaszkodzi.
No to jak masz, to opuszczamy. A krzywo stoi jakoś, nie? Tak. W sensie tak jest. Trochę do środka auto daj. Dobra. Musisz mocno wcisnąć.
Wcisnąć, tak?
No w chuj.
No.
O kurwa. Siadło chyba, co?
Hej!
Tu jest w ogóle za krótko. Muszę dać bez tej. Dead battery. O kurwa, to też jest dead. Welcome, welcome, day 2. I'm gonna do a leak test for the roof rails. I'm gonna give her a little wash as well. What the fuck was that? This is nice. Millimeters. Oh, centimeters. Let's get some water. I'm gonna wash the roof now, and I'm gonna check again later to give the water some time if there's any holes, to give the water some time to seep through. Shampoo. Back again inside after the leak test. I didn't found any leaks from the bolts holding the roof rails, so that's good. I did find though 2 leaks from the clips holding the plastic trims. One here, which is strange because the clip is in place, and one there on the other side, but there is a clip missing, so I just order new ones and we'll fix it, hopefully. Let's find out if I'll be able to do it by myself, alone. How do I even get on? Just gonna loosen it here and pull it up a little bit. Yeah. Oh, shh. Very nice. Oh shit. The fronts are loose, you can see. You can take this off. Slide these in. So one bolt is damaged. All that's left is the positioning and tightening down the bolts, and job done. Slide it as far back as you can, 2-3 millimeters gap to the camera. Looks good to me. This goes in so tight, I don't know if I'll be able to take them out later. And I'll have to install what I have to install? Solar panels and decking. The roof rack is done. This is how it looks.